We have talked before about the arriving generation of wearable computers, the Apple Watch being the latest example. We're going to talk now about the wearable type of technology in the future. It kind of might make you feel a little uncomfortable because it's sort of electronics in you, that is surgically placed inside your body. David Gunkel is a professor at Northern Illinois University, and he specializes in information and communications technology, and your book is The Machine Question. So is this what, the rise of the cyborgs? Are we all going to become half bio and half electronic?
Literally, yes, it is the rise of the cyborg. And the vision of that is both terrifying, if you see the Hollywood films and the image of the Borg and things like that, but it's also celebrated by a number of individuals who see this as sort of the next iteration in human evolution, sort of symbiotically incorporating our machines into our own bodies ourselves.
And that's happening, obviously. We have pacemakers, other medical devices that are inside people.
Certainly, and the next stage is to implant the ability to access data like we do on our smartphone now, but directly through your brain, image data directly on your retina, auditory information directly fed into your auditory nerve, and these sorts of operations.
It does sound frightening. So who's working on this right now?
You can imagine that everyone who is involved in computer interface technology and information and communication technology has a stake in this. So Google has a stake in this, the Department of Defense has a stake in this, researchers at Carnegie Mellon University and MIT have a stake in this. So you have this being developed in all kinds of places, not just in the US, but globally.
And this is going to be rolling out in the near future?
Yes, in fact, we're seeing prototypes already available. It's not yet commercialized, but you can bet that within the next decade we'll see commercialized versions of this.
What do you expect the reluctance or hesitation might be? Is it again going to be, as with modern day technology, the idea of privacy?
I think the two big ones are privacy, because once you start putting things into the body, people do worry about access to all kinds of biometric data, location data, things like that, and controlling that information. But I also think there's a concern about equality and about social stratification, because this is going to be expensive, and who can afford it and who can't afford it is going to create a brand new digital divide between the haves and the have-nots.
Wow, exciting. David Gunkel, thank you so much.
Sure, thank you.